The sill stop is designed to safely offload materials when the front of the material handler cannot reach into a structure's opening and rest on the sill. This can occur when the opening is narrow, limited in height, or unreachable because of roof, deck, and other structural overhangs. Using the material handler with a crane when it cannot reach the sill could cause a serious accident when offloading heavy objects. The sill stop attaches to the front of the material handler at the bottom using 4 snap pins. These snap pins are a larger size than those used to attach the top section to the material handler sides. Lower the securing chains to the ground. Position the sill stop aligning the holes with those on the connecting blocks. Insert the snap pins from the outside inward, connecting the clasp. The top snap pin clasp will go over the top of the connecting block. The bottom snap pin clasp will go under the connecting block. You must insert the snap pins from the outside inward. Once the sill stop is connected, pull all the slack from the securing chains and reconnect them to the hanging rings. When working through narrower openings, there are narrow roller skids and narrow roller pads available for easy offload. Notice the additional safety accessories workers are using in this situation: the retrieval pole, bumpers, and the sill bumper. Because it is difficult and dangerous to reach out and around a narrow opening, it is best to receive the material handler from a crouched position on the floor and grab the sill stop to land the material handler in the opening. The crane operator can lower the material handler onto the sill just enough to create friction to hold it in place. Workers will then reach out and disconnect the front cover, guardrail chains, or any other securing system used as a material stop. Then, remove the brakes and pull the materials into the structure and begin offloading. When finished, return the roller skid or the roller pad into the material handler. It is not necessary to use the sill stop when hoisting the material handler with a forklift. There are some materials that offload safely without reaching the sill and without using the sill stop, such as long windows, boards, plywood, and drywall. These types of longer material will transfer the weight evenly between the floor of the structure and the material handler rollers.